Hey there, second graders. Today you're going to be using a few place value strategies to help you add. Specifically, we're focusing on the break apart strategy, which allows you to break apart an addend by tens and ones, and then add those chunks up together to find our sum. So it's a really cool strategy. It's a great strategy for you to use when you're trying to do mental math as well. Okay, so let's get started. Again, we're using the break apart strategy using place value to help us add. Here we go.
What is the sum of 27 and 35? You can use mental math to find the sum. You can use place value to break apart numbers into tens and ones. Which numbers show the values of the tens digits in 27 and 35?
Select your answer.
So at this point, we're looking to see 27. They broke it apart into 2 tens and 7, 3 tens and 5. So I should know that 2 tens is 20, 3 tens is 30. So here are my tens digits for my numbers.
Which numbers show the values of the ones digits in 27 and 35?
Select your answer.
Well, that one should be pretty easy, right? Because we just talked about the 20 and 30 being our tens, so 7 and 5 are our ones.
To find the sum 27 plus 35, add the tens. 20 plus 30 equals 50. Add the ones. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Then add the sums. You can find 50 plus 12 by breaking apart 12. 50 plus 12 equals 50 plus 10 plus 2, which is equal to 62.
So again, this part of the equation right here, they've broken up again using place value, right? So I got 20 plus 30 is 50, and I need to add 50 plus my 7 and 5 at 12. Well, I know 50 plus 10 is 60, and then add 2 more. 62. Do you see how this is turning into mental math?
So 27 plus 35 equals 62. Does the answer make sense?
What do you guys think? I think, and I know, that 20 plus 30 equals 50, 7 plus 5 equals 12, and I do know that when I break apart my 12, I get 10 too. And 50 plus 10 is 60 plus 2 more 62. So absolutely, it makes sense.
The answer, 62, makes sense. 27 is 3 less than 30. 30 plus 35 equals 65. Since 65 is 3 more than 62, the answer makes sense. Now you know how to break apart numbers into tens and ones. You know how to use mental math to find sums.
Good job. So today, remember, you're looking at our addends, like 27, and being able to use break apart into place value of tens and ones to help you add them up and do it faster in your head. Good luck today.